Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Razer BlackShark V3 Pro to your PC or your PS5 device or your mobile device using all the supported connection methods, including the 2.4 GHz wireless Bluetooth, USB, and the 3.5 mm wired mode. So first of all, for the lowest latency and the best gaming performance, you need to use the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle. So in this case, you just have to simply plug the USB dongle into your PC or your PS5 or compatible USB device. After that, you just have to simply power on your headset. Now the BlackShark V3 Pro usually pairs automatically with the dongle within just a few seconds. On your PC, you may also want to install the Razer Sync Pace application for additional sound customization. Now to pair it with your phone or your tablet, you need to switch the headset to the Bluetooth mode. Then you just have to simply press and hold the Bluetooth or the pairing button until the indicator light starts flashing. Then open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone or your Android device or even on your laptop. So currently I'm using my laptop, so you can open the laptop, and here in the search bar you can just simply search for Wi-Fi settings. So when you turn on the Wi-Fi, you are going to see all of the networks available over here or list of all of the devices. So you need to simply select BlackShark V3 Pro from the list and you need to establish the connection. Now for PS5, you need to plug the wireless dongle directly into the console. Then go to the settings of your PS5, then go to sound and select the option of audio output, and then you need to confirm your headset is selected as both input device and the output device. Now you can also connect the headset using the USB cable. So you need to use a USB mode that is useful for charging while gaming or firmware updates. So some of the advanced audio features may only work fully through USB or the wireless dongle. Finally, you can also use the 3.5 mm audio cable that works with controllers, laptops, phones, handheld consoles, and the old devices. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.